Hi, in this video we will show you the funicular in the city of Spa in Belgium. The funicular is a modern and convenient way to access the thermal bath on the hilltop. The funicular was built in 2004 and replaced an old cable car that had been operating since 1958. It runs from the Parc des 7 Heures, a historic park where the aristocrats of the 18th and 19th centuries used to stroll. It runs to the Les Thermes de Spa, a contemporary spa complex that offers a range of wellness treatments and facilities. We paid €1.50 for a single journey or €3 for a return journey, so it is not too much to get up there. And so here you can see me just scanning the ticket, then it opens up and then we go up. I kept the ticket, and at the end I think you needed to keep it to get out again. So keep that with you until you're finished, and then you have to press this button to have the funicular come. It was nice and quiet on our visit, so there weren't any other people. It was nice, we had it all for ourselves. The funicular has 2 cabins that can each carry up to 15 people, here according to the sign. The journey takes about 3 minutes and it offers a scenic view of the town and the surrounding forests. It operates every day from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Maybe before you visit, just double check the times if that has changed or if that is different. The funicular is not only a practical means of transportation, but also a tourist attraction that showcases the contrast between the old and the new, the natural and the artificial, and the tradition and the innovation of Spa. And we're going to show you now the journey up there. Also, just have a quick look around up there. There's also a cafe where we had some coffee. And also we will show you a little bit of the journey going down again.